Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cryptic Chevy channel. Thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to make a quick video here showing the new Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors that I just received. You can see that beautiful, beautiful box there. And I just wanted to do a quick reveal on the product before I install. I got these, pretty excited, nice heavy duty box. These things got some weight to them and worth every penny. Now, my regular mirrors, pretty boring. Nothing but heat. These, we got some awesome options here that Boost Auto offers on their custom-made mirrors. And let me tell you, I'm pretty excited. These options that I got on these mirrors, awesome. Like, I can't even believe the amount of options that you can get when you order these mirrors from Boost Auto. And they got a bunch of other great products I have some experience with. Wiring adapters for factory lighting, such as fog lights and high beams on the Silverado. I got that $23 mod. Can't go wrong. Wireless chargers, marker lights, I mean, there's plenty of awesome products that Boost Auto offers. You got to head on over to their site, check them out. But I really wanted to get these unboxed here just to reveal what is inside before we do the install, because I can't wait any longer. I've had these sitting in the garage for a couple days, and tell you what, I can't wait to get these put on the Silverado. Wow. Very great packaging. Covered, all the parts in styrofoam. Wow, those got some weight to them. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, that's got some weight. Like, that's a solid 20-25 pounds. Pretty easy. The mirror itself, exact replacement into the door handle, remove the factory one, and I'll show you guys that in the video. Boost Auto also has a great instructional video showing you how to step-by-step easily install these on your truck. Spotlight, you can see there, integrated turn signal into the front of the mirror. We got the sequential turn signal on the back, and then these are also what I'm most excited about, power folding. Now, a couple options that you can also get from Boost Mobile is wireless adapter, which I'll have to read a little bit more into, but you got these wireless adapters, plug and play, as you can see. Driver side, passenger side, one plug here, two plugs here. There's a harness that runs behind your front dash and console to the passenger side mirror. Easy to install. You're not doing a bunch of additional hookups into your harnesses into the vehicle, but you also have your wiring here. And like I said, depending upon the options that you go with on your mirrors is going to determine what you're going to need or want with them. But when you go from the factory old boring mirror with just heat to these massive, awesome quality built, heavy duty, rugged tow mirrors from Boost Auto, you got to do it right. You got to take advantage of the options that they have to offer. These are the only mirrors on the market like this. The quality uncomparable. But just wanted to get these unboxed, see what we were working with, show you guys what we're going to be installing on the truck here next. And excited. Awesome stuff, Boost Auto. Thank you, and appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out the install video coming soon. Cryptic Chevy out.